Hello guys, welcome to the AG production. I hope you all are doing well. This video is the second part of online earning site Dojemate.com. In the first part of this video I told you about Dojemate, like methods and ways to earn on Dojemate and how to get withdraw. If you missed the first part of this video you can watch using link in the description. And you can also join the site from link in the description. So in today's video I am going to show you live withdrawal proof of free online earning site Dojemate.com. So without wasting any time let's get right into the video. First of all let me tell you a little about withdraw. You can withdraw your available coins balance to your desired currency when minimum is reached. You can withdraw your balance 5 times a day. Minimum withdrawal limit of Coinbase, Express Crypto, and Faucet Pay is equal to 1000 coins. You can withdraw your coins into cryptocurrency like Binance Coin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, BitTorrent, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Litecoin and many more. Remember, you need to set your wallet addresses before withdrawing coins into your desired currency. If you don't have wallet addresses you can get your wallet address by creating your wallet. There are plenty of wallets available in Play Store and App Store so you can download and create one easily. If you don't know which wallet is best and which one to use, you can download the best wallets from link in the description. So before getting withdraw we have to set wallet address, so first let's set the wallet address. In this case I am using Trust Wallet. New users have to create account before using Trust Wallet. I am already registered on Trust Wallet. Okay, so I am in the Trust Wallet now. Search the cryptocurrency you want to receive or send. Then click on receive and copy the address. You need to be careful here and copy the receive address and not the send address. Many people make mistake here, they set the send address, and if you do so you won't receive the amount and your balance will also be lost. After copying the receive address, get back to Dojemate and paste the receive address. You can repeat the same process for all currencies. However, in case of Bitcoin you need to set Coinbase email address. My earning balance is low so I am going to get withdraw in the Coinbase account. I have already set the Coinbase address. So let's get withdraw now. Click on withdraw button in the site to go to withdraw page. Then choose the currency in which you want to receive your earnings. I am going to withdraw in Bitcoin, so click on withdraw button below the Bitcoin. After that select the withdraw method and make sure the wallet address is correct. Then enter the amount you want to withdraw and then click on the withdraw button. Wait for the few seconds to process the transaction. Okay, as you can see my earning balance is now 0. It means the transaction has been completed. Now let's wait for the confirmation email from Coinbase. Okay guys, as you can see I have received the email from Coinbase. Let me show you complete email from Coinbase and transaction proof in the Coinbase account. As you can see the email from Coinbase, I have received the amount. Now let me show you my transaction proof in the Coinbase account. It's taking time due to slow internet. Okay guys, now as you can see the transaction history in the Coinbase account. I have received the 0.01 in the US dollar. So this is it guys. I have showed you my live withdrawal proof. So what are you waiting for? Join now from link in the description. Before joining note that currently this site is completely free and giving instant withdraw. Join fast and get benefit from this site. And remember, AG Production does not advise you to invest in this or any other site if it asks you to invest in the future. And if you invest it will be your own risk. AG Production is not responsible for your any losses. So guys, this was all about Dojemate and its live withdrawal proof. If you still have any confusion, feel free to ask in the comments, I will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you successfully get withdraw, leave a thanks in comment and do like this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos like this. Bye for now and have a great time earning money.